Now. Where you going? Outside. No, you can't go outside. Just see.
That's blind.
When you go in there, swing her out here.
Okay. Did you shoot that bow, Joe? Wow. Whose is this?
Mine. Stop it! Stop it! Stop it!
No.
Go slow.
Get back over to Joseph, or John. Wow. Where'd you get this at, Joseph?
Kmart or Heroes.
That's nice.
It does. It goes on kids. It goes.
Uh-oh,
Stop it. You don't stop it fast enough. Hey, I'm gonna move because I'm watching. Joseph, do you think I can move this train to let Tom stop? Let Jonathan stop. And then you bounce back. No. You see, you jump out in this raft.
Hey, Daniel.
Because this is water. And you jump
I
out
seen
in
you.
this raft. Okay, Jonathan? You jump out.
Well, you got different speeds on it, Joseph?
Stop. Don't stop. Move. There, go. 25. Speed 25. Stop. Here it goes. Take this off.
What are you doing, Joseph?
Taking it off.
How come?
Because these are the major ones that make most of the wrecks. It's a short train now, ain't it, Joseph?
It's a train.
What if
You say
that
train?
race makes one of the wrecks?
Train.
It don't make one wreck. So what if it does? It don't. It can't. Too little. Hey, can I go now? Go. No, stop. Stop. No.
What for?
Go tell me.
What's he telling on about?
Somebody move so I can fix the train. Go. Slow like you. Slow. Go. Stop when you get the caboose up.
Steven, look at me.
Come on.
Hi, Steven. I love you. Joseph.
Take it slow now.
Joseph, look at me. Wait a minute.
How about let me drive for a while and you put it now?
Well, I think some of them want to go down and look at the cars. Whenever they want to go down and look at the cars, we'll go and
Oh.
Is that right, Joe? Joe.
here, Lynn.
This goodbye. 1 pound of canned ham, cooked ham in a can. Yeah, mobile
I
sugar.
drive it and then you drive it.
$1.97.
Or I'll open my.
$2 a pound.
He's got those things with the alcohol in them, Daddy.
And Big Lots.
He's got those things.
Oh. 13 ounces.
You want to do something exciting? We go past it. Big sand on my tractor. Listen to Paul Harvey or something while you do it.
Oh, how sad. Hey, man, I'm going to go out to Hex and get me 4 pounds of this peanut butter. I'm telling you to try.
I need to,
Hey, open the dress off.
you know, take it right.
Big deep hole. Heads up and cut trees. Put across the branch. Head right across it. Had them a little path built on.
Where's the
They
train
had
track?
nothing like that when I was a boy. Right there's all I had. That's the reason there's some
Where's the train
hands
tracks? Oh, right there. They're not.
Never had a
You
motorcycle.
can add the
My
whole
mom,
thing.
let's see, I guess I was 16 or 17, and mom went on vacation and bought me one. While she's going on vacation.
Death trap. That's about all I like.
You're going to dump him out. No, no. Give him to Papa. Give him to Papa. Good
Did
baby.
you fix it? How's he gonna listen to it?
I don't have
Take it to Mommy.
I want to be there when he listens to it.
Give it to Mommy.
Take it
Daniel.
out the car and let me.
Daniel, give it to Mommy. Come here and give it to Mommy. You better not tear up Daddy's picture. Give it to Daddy. There you go. Think it looks like Dennis?
Looks like JD. It looks like
Papa, why'd you tear up my crap?
Wait a minute. Oh, don't jump on me now. Find out.
Mm.
Don't jump on me now. Why did I do what?
Why did you tear up my crap?
Daniel, honey, you didn't have to slam the door.
Then who did?
I don't know.
Daniel,
Ain't
did
it,
it.
ain't it over on the table? It's over on the table. Oh, there it is on the table.
It's not.
Don't you come in here jumping on Grandpa something he didn't do.
No.
Now, you put it on, you put it on Jump on Grandpa, will you?
You want something?
Might be on yours.
I know.
One of them beat on yours.
What is John on is it?
Mm-mm.
Leave it at the table.
Is it an improvement or what?
How long?
What? To next time. I don't think that ears does as good. We're going home right now, Larry? It's not very much.
You want another apple?
We're going home now. I think you guys going to that car show.
Joseph, give it a bite of apple.
You go to a car show.
Say thank you.
Which car do you want?
You snap your fingers, Daniel.
going home right now.
What's an awful pretty outfit? That looks so much like a little boy outfit. Anybody can confuse it with a girl's outfit.
No, we can get focused on you.
It looks.
Dreaming. Looks so much like a little boy's outfit. But I don't know how anybody can confuse it for a girl's outfit.
Oh, okay.
Do you dream?
I think it looks like a little dress outfit. I know you can't see how anybody could do that.
Put on the coat.
Joseph, did you hear him? Did you hear him?
How's Matt doing? Have you heard from him?
Haven't heard from him for a while.
I didn't even think that's for anything how Matt was doing. Because you're finished.
I'm finished. You have to be finished too.
Daniel, what are you doing up here? Daniel, 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 what are you doing up here? Daniel, Daniel, where are you? What are you doing up there?
That's it, Leah.
Daniel.
I'm the board.
I'm a board. Where's the board at? You can draw a picture of me.
Joseph, look up there with me.
I love to say it.
Joseph.
Now I have to put this on top of the hole. Because this is going to be our top of this.
Daniel.
So, like this. Her chimney.
Tie your shoe now.
Like her chimney?
Tie your shoe.
No, this is our garbage box.
Here it is. Here it is.
And,
Want me to tie?
we're rock.
Well, you stinker.
Come on, Daniel. Come here. Now he's going to try to tie your shoe. I'm going to try. Turn around.
Is that when you got hurt at school?
I got tripped at school. Really fast like that. I became an airborne.
Did you see anything for dessert? Grandma, did you see anything for dessert?
Did I fix anything?
No, that's not where you.
Yep,
You
them roads.
park. This is the road. This is where we
Slim
park
quit
our
barking
bike.
like a dog.
And, over